Hello my friends, in this video we will learn that how to give or write a speech on Gandhi Jayanti in 450 words. So friends, without any further delay, let's get started. A speech on Gandhi Jayanti. Good morning to the respected chief guest, principal sir, teachers, parents and my all dear friends. My name is Pankaj. I study in class 12th. As we all know that today we have gathered here to celebrate Gandhi Jayanti, and I want to say a few words about Mahatma Gandhi's life and his contribution toward the country of India on this great occasion. Mahatma Gandhi was a great freedom fighter who contributed significantly in making our India independent from British rule. 2nd October is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat, India. Every year we celebrate this day with full enthusiasm to pay homage to the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi's full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, and we know him as Bapu and father of the nation. His father's name was Karamchand Gandhi, and he was a Diwan in the princely state of Rajkot. His mother's name was Putli Bai, and she was a very religious woman. Mahatma Gandhi lived an ideal life. He lived a simple and high-minded life, following the principle of Ahimsa Paramo Dharma. He inspired the people of the country to come together and participate in the freedom struggle. Educated to see all religions with respect, adopt truth and non-violence in life. He gave a message of peace to the world. Today is the best day to pay homage to Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi went to England to study law. After studying there, he returned to India and started working as a lawyer. But seeing the deteriorating situation of the country, Mahatma Gandhi decided to free the country from the British rule and plunged into the independence movement. He was a huge contribution in providing independence to the country. Bapu organized many movements, and during the movement he also went to jail many times. Bapu was instrumental in providing independence to the country by running Champaran and Kheda Satyagraha in 1917, Khilafat movement from 1919 to 1924, Dandi March in 1930 and Quit India movement in 1942. There was no discrimination in these movements. People of all religions and all castes supported Bapu. Everyone in the Satyagraha movement, be it Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Christian or people of any other religion, all took part in the freedom movement to bring freedom to India. In this way, Mahatma Gandhi along with all the revolutionaries succeeded in making our India country independent on 15th August 1947. We should not forget that Bapu gave up his life to give freedom to Indians. We will never forget the work he did. If all Indians want to maintain peace in our country in future, then we must adopt Bapu's thoughts. Hope you all like this speech of mine. I end my speech with these words: Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.